Today is March 31st. We are going to prune our roses today. We need to prune the roses when we see the first growth on them in spring. If you want the roses to be growing outward or branching it out, you can leave the buds which are pointing outward, like this one. And then they need some air circulation in the middle. So if the branches are too crowded, we can remove them too from the middle. We can remove the dead branches, damaged branches. We can remove at least 6 inches from the top. So we will be removing the branches which are crisscrossing. We can keep the buds which are facing outward, so it will be branching out. We don't prune them in fall because they need that extra leaves and branches for protection during winter from the cold. It acts as a blanket. We can prune the hydrangeas also at the same time we prune the roses. Pruning the azaleas also. After pruning, we can fertilize them with a bloom booster. 1 scoop in 1 gallon of water.